Hello my friends, welcome again. So here we are in the edit form of our listings, and I want to fix the category, subcategory and child category, also the country, state and city, and I want to display all the images we have, so the feature image, image 1, image 2 and an image 3, and if we see here the image and if we don't like, we change. Okay, if I go to the VS Code and in the views here, listing, and in the edit, so here we have the dependent category Livewire component, and here we have the dependent category. I want to create a new one. So in the terminal, I'm going to say artisan make livewire component, and I'm going to name it dependent edit category, and also the country, dependent edit country. Okay, I'm going to clear this and go here, and now I'm going to copy all we have in the dependent category and paste it in the dependent edit category. Okay, hit save. And also I need to open the Livewire dependent category and copy this one, and now open the dependent edit category and paste this. Okay, import and also the child import. Okay, so we have the categories, subcategory and child categories. We have the selected category and subcategory, and when we update the category ID here, we also show the subcategory, but in the edit form we have the category ID, so we need to say, so I'm going to add the category here, also the subcategory, subcategory and the child category. Okay. And when we start here, when we mount the component, this category is going to be category all, and also the selected category is going to be with the category here, and these subcategories is going to be the same thing we have here, subcategory and get. Okay, because we have the category here, and this child, this selected subcategory is going to be the subcategory, and also this child categories is going to be where subcategory D is this the subcategory we have here. So we add the category, subcategories, and also and I'm going to add it here, the public and $sign selected child category, and it's not going to be null. I'm going to remove this. Okay, we don't need now them. Yeah, we need, because if we make a change we are going to update them. So I'm going to add the last one, this selected child category is going to be the child category, and I think we are okay. Go here, option value category D, and now we need to say if the category ID is equal with this is for the subcategories. Okay, so if this is for the selected subcategory, selected subcategory is going to be selected, otherwise nothing, and the same thing here. If this is going to be selected category, and here the same thing, selected child category. If I save now, and one more thing, we need to go in the listing edit, and here Dependet, edit category, and we need to add the properties here. Okay, so we have the category, subcategory, and child category. So here we need to add the category, which is the listing category ID, and the sub category, which is the listing sub category ID, and also the child category, which is the listing child category ID. Okay, save this, and now refresh, and Dependet edit category unable to find component, and this is Dependet edit category. Why? Yeah, Dependet. Oh, Dependet, like this. Okay, refresh, And you see here we have the electronics, laptop, and HP. And if I go to the table plus and open the and classify that, okay, listings, the last one has the category with ID 1, subcategory with ID 2, and the child category with ID 2, which is so category 1 and subcategory 2 and child category 2. Category 1 is electronics, and in our case is electronics. Okay, now subcategories is 2, which is laptop, and yes, and child categories 2 is HP, and yeah, it's SP. But the problem is here because we have only one child category and we don't have all the child. So in the dependent category here, so child categories is going to be child category where subcategory D is this subcategory and get. So why we don't have all the child categories? Dependent if selected subcategory. Okay, where is the child? If it's not null, the selected sub, yeah. Here we have the child categories, and I'm going to say display the child categories here to see what we have. Refresh, and we have only the HP child. Why we have only the HP and we don't have all the child categories? Where subcategory D get. So if I select now and also and we again we have only one. I'm going to fix this and see you in the next one, friends.